Good morning from the desert paradise in the cilantro and pumpkin and potato patch, but the only thing that's planted is the cilantro, which I just turned on the water system to get water into the drip lines, so now everything is being watered again this morning. We watered it last night when we planted all these beautiful cilantro seeds, semillas, and now it's time for them to be given love and nutrients from the soil and water in order to grow into beautiful herbs. Hello, scarecrow. There's a lot of gold in the soil here, and Albert is really into panning gold. He has this plate, and when he has a free moment, he just gets some soil and takes gold out of it, and he has these vials that he has of gold, and one day he'll sell it for cash. But don't tell anyone. Making a big pot of oats with banana and sugar. Trying to find my cinnamon. I can't find it. Just spent about 2 hours planting by hand on this one row from Mr. Scarecrow all the way down to there. There's a trifecta. Closest to the fencing, we have passion fruit. They're gonna grow, we'll trellis them onto the fence, so this whole fence will be full of passion fruit. Are you kidding me? And then in the middle, closest to the drip line, are sunflowers. Just boom, permaculture style. We got passion fruit, sunflowers, and then towering over everything right here is corn. Right here, maize. So we're gonna have in this one row different layers of passion fruit, sunflowers, and corn, just mirroring to the mountains and the goats. Hola, goat, you came back. Good job, boy. And I come out of the patch, look who's waiting for me. Like a perfect little princess. Where's your toys? Let's go find some toys. I think I smell tacos. Just rolled into town to buy some food and to fill up gas, but there's literally almost no gasoline in the tank. We just bought some alcohol at a store. We're going to buy gas and get some concrete to finish the stove. Trino just bought us my favorite candy, plus bananas. We officially have no gas. We ran out of gas. We're on the side of the road and we're just talking to people, seeing if anyone can help. But we have no gas officially. I have my favorite candy though. This stuff is literally the greatest. What a crazy day, Max. It's been all over the place, but it's been good. We're making lentil soup, pizzas, kind of delicious food tonight. ¿Cómo te llamas, amigo? Joaquín. Y te gusta Maggie mucho, ¿verdad? ¿Qué es tu parte favorita de Maggie?
Que me gusta jugar con ella.
¿Qué ciudades en Baja tú
¿dónde nací?
visitas?
¿Dónde qué?
Ensenada?
Sí, yo nací ahí.
What a beautiful evening. Oh, crazy day. I'm exhausted. Let's see what the pizza man's up to.
Dame.
Dámelo, Maggie.
Dame.
Más fuerte.
Dame.
Más fuerte con sus brazos, amigo.
Dámelo. Sí,
Ah, muy bien, okay.
Ay.
Muy bien. Where's that pizza at? Oh, there's that lentil pizza.
Estabas haciendo un video.
Wow, this is a beautiful sight. Lentil chili stew with pizza. Woohoo! Maggie girl. Another day of the farm life is done. I have not showered. Oh, that light just went off. My clothes are... Mi ropa es muy sucia. I have very dirty clothes. I need to bathe myself, wash my clothes. Ooh, we're just working so hard. Oh, Maggie's probably eating all the other dogs' food right now. Life is great over here, just tiring. I'm still getting my bearings. I'm really learning about what I can best provide to this space, and I'm learning my jobs, and so yeah, it's just been a lot of new stuff. It's an intense community of interesting cats rolling in and out at different times, some of which I'm filming, some of which I'm not. But life is good. It's quite an adventure. Much love, Dream Extreme. Thank you for still watching these crazy videos. It really helps me as I stay very tired and hardworking here to just keep going, because you guys are all in this together with me. Very grateful for our home and for our banana stash and fruit stash. This is a beautiful place.